On a sunny day, the tortoise and the hare decided to race away. The hare was so quick, he jumped up high, while the tortoise moved slowly, saying, "I'll give it a try." Slow and steady, step by step, the tortoise takes his time, no rush, no prep. Fast and speedy, zoom in Hare, but slow and steady wins it fair. The hare ran fast, like the wind in the trees. "I'll win this race, I do it with ease." He took a nap under a tree so wide, but tortoise kept walking, never breaking stride. Slow and steady, step by step, tortoise takes his time, no rush, no prep. Fast and speedy, zoom in Hare, but slow and steady wins it fair. The tortoise kept going, didn't stop to rest. With each little step, he did his best. The animals cheered, "Go, tortoise, go!" while the hare was dreaming, moving oh so slow. Slow and steady, step by step, tortoise takes his time, no rush, no prep. Fast and speedy, zoom in Hare, but slow and steady wins it fair. Hare woke up, saw the tortoise near the end. He hopped and he jumped, trying to contend, but tortoise crossed first with a smile so bright. He won the race with all his might. Slow and steady, step by step, tortoise takes his time, no rush, no prep. Fast and speedy, zoom in Hare, but slow and steady wins it fair. Now everyone knows, and it's plain to see, patience and effort are the real keys. The tortoise and hare, what a tale to share. Slow and steady wins anywhere.